Hey, what's up guys, in this video I'm reviewing a pair of headphones that barely need an introduction, the Bose QuietComfort 45. These are the much anticipated successors to the legendary QC35-2, which basically set the gold standard for noise cancelling headphones for years. So when Bose finally released these headphones, expectations were very high. People wanted better ANC, better sound, better battery life, basically they were asking for near perfection. But now that they've been out in the wild for a while and had time to face real-world competition, how did they actually hold up today? Let's break it down. Also, the link to these headphones will be included in the video description below. Unboxing the QuietComfort 45 is a smooth, familiar experience. You open up the package and inside is a sleek, hard shell carrying case. The headphones folded neatly inside, along with a USB-C charging cable and a 3.5mm to 2.5mm audio cable. Bose didn't go overboard with accessories, and honestly they don't need to. The design sticks closely to the classic Bose aesthetic, no flashy branding or wild colors, just a clean, minimal look that screams function over fashion. The matte finish, smooth lines, and subtle logo placement all add up to a pair of headphones that feel professional and timeless. Now let's talk about comfort, because that's what the QuietComfort name is all about. These are among the most comfortable over-ear headphones you can buy. The ear cups are generously padded, the clamping force is light without being loose, and the weight distribution is practically perfect. You can wear these for an entire international flight or a full workday and barely notice them. The build is mostly premium-grade plastic, but don't let that fool you. It's high quality, durable, and gives the headphones a lightweight feel that enhances comfort. The fold-flat and fold-in design makes them easy to store and travel with, and despite the lightweight feel, they are tough enough to handle daily use without worrying. Alright, now let's talk about sound quality, and Bose keeps it classy here too. The QuietComfort 45s are tuned for balance. If you're expecting thunderous bass or ultra sparkly treble, these aren't the headphones for you. But if you're after clean, neutral sound that works across genres and doesn't cause ear fatigue, then you're in for a treat. The bass is present and well controlled, giving you that low-end thumb without overwhelming the mids. Speaking of mids, vocals and instruments come through crystal clear, and the highs are smooth and easy on the ears without any harshness. It's the kind of sound that doesn't wow you in the first 10 seconds, but wins you over the more you listen. And finally, we got user-adjustable EQ via the Bose Music app. This wasn't available at launch, but it's here now, and it lets you dial in a bit more bass, add more brightness, or cut mids to match your preference. It's a simple 3-band EQ, but it gets the job done for most users. By the way, prices on these headphones update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's talk about active noise cancellation, because this is where Bose always shines, and the QuietComfort 45 keeps the legacy alive. The noise cancellation is powerful, precise, and incredibly effective. Whether you're on a plane, in a crowded cafe, or just trying to focus at your desk, the QuietComfort 45 creates a bubble of silence that's hard to beat. It blocks out consistent low-frequency sounds like engine hum and air conditioning better than almost anything else out there. Voices and higher frequencies get significantly reduced too, though not entirely gone. Still, the ANC performance here is elite, exactly what you would expect from Bose. There's also an aware mode that lets ambient sound through when you need it. It's not just useful, it's well executed. Ambient sounds come through naturally without that robotic or tiny quality you hear on some other headphones. Now let's talk about battery life. The QuietComfort 45 delivers up to 24 hours of battery life on a full charge, which puts it right in line with today's best headphones. That's more than enough for long-haul flights, multiple workdays, or marathon study sessions. Charging is done via USB-C, and a quick 15-minute charge gives you about 3 hours of playback. That fast charge feature is a lifesaver when you're in a rush and forgot to plug them in overnight. Bose doesn't offer wireless charging here, but it's not really a deal breaker in the over-ear headphone world. If you are working from home or taking calls on the go, these headphones won't let you down. The built-in mics are surprisingly good, voices come through clear and natural, and the noise rejection is solid. Your voice cuts through background noise like traffic or typing without much trouble. While they are not quite on par with a dedicated boom mic or a professional headset, they are more than good enough for Zoom calls, voice memos, or quick chats with clients. The QuietComfort 45 features Bluetooth 5.1 and the connection is rock solid. You can walk around your apartment or office without dropouts, and the pairing process is smooth and fast. One of the standout features here is multi-point connectivity. That means you can stay connected to your laptop and your phone at the same time, listening to music on your computer, and then a call comes in on your phone. No need to switch devices. The QuietComfort 45 handles it seamlessly. Once you experience this kind of fluid multitasking, it's hard to go back. There's no support for high-resolution audio codecs like LDAC or aptX, but honestly, Bose focuses on reliability and simplicity, and the sound quality over standard AAC or SBC still holds up extremely well for everyday use. Now let's talk about Bose Music app experience. The Bose Music app is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You can rename your headphones, toggle between ANC and Aware modes, adjust the EQ, and manage multi-point devices. It doesn't overwhelm you with options, but it gives you everything you need to control your listening experience without getting in the way. Updates are also delivered through the app, which means the QC45 has already improved since its release and will likely continue to get better over time. Now, let's be real, the headphone market moves fast. In 2025, you got tough competition from Sony's WH-1000XM5, Sennheiser Momentum 4, and newer Bose models like the QuietComfort Ultra. Some of these offer flashier features like spatial audio, touch controls, or more advanced codec support. But the QuietComfort 45 holds its ground by doing the basics better than most. It's not trying to be the most feature-packed headphone, it's just trying to be the most comfortable, reliable, and distraction-free option on the market. And for a huge amount of people, that's exactly what they need. So, is it a good choice? The Bose QuietComfort 45 isn't the most exciting headphone on the shelf, and that's what makes it so good. It's built with purpose, it delivers elite comfort, excellent noise cancellation, solid battery life, and balanced sound that holds up beautifully for everyday listening. Even with newer models and flashier features out there, the QuietComfort 45 remains one of the best over-ear noise-canceling headphones you can buy. It's not just quiet, it's not just comfortable, it's the perfect combination of both. Let me know in the comments, guys, are you planning to pick up these headphones or are you going to stick with what you already have? That's it for this video, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on these headphones. See you in the next one.